Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the second part of this video. In the previous video, we learned about how to create a Wix site and copy the URL from our site. And now in this video, we are going to create our first app using this URL. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. So open your Android Studio and create a new project. Click on Start New Project and name it as you want. I will name it my Video Gallery App. And now change your package name. You can change it as you want. After that, click on Next. Now here you have to choose the API level. Here I am choosing API 19, which is almost over 90% of the device. And after choosing the API level, click on Next. Here you have to choose the activity. Here I am choosing empty activity, and after that click on Next. Now leave it as it is and click on Finish. After clicking on Finish, it will take some time to build the Gradle file. After that you can ready to go. So just wait. Now the project file is ready, the Gradle build is also ready, and now we are going to write some codes. So guys, if you don't want to write any kind of code, then you can go to the link in the description, which will take you to my website where I paste all of the codes. You can copy them and paste it here. So first of all, go to activity_main.xml, which is under app source main, and in the main you can find layout. In the layout you can find activity_main.xml file. Here we have to add a layout. This is web view layout. You can also copy the code from the website. So add a web view and give the height and weight as match parent, and also give it a ID. So we can find it easily. So after that, go to main activity.java, which is under Java folder. So guys, I'm not wasting the time. I'm just pasting the code here. So you can also copy the code from the site and paste it here. Okay, now note one thing, if you copy all of the code, then you have to change this line. You have to change this URL with your URL. Change the URL, and that's it. We are done in this Java file. So guys, jump to the next thing. Open Android manifest.xml file. Here we have to give some user permission like internet and Wi-Fi, because this is a site. It takes some internet connection to open. So here you have to give it the user permission. You can copy the code from the site also. After that, hit the save button, and now you can run this. You can see that this app is really running awesome. And guys, note one thing, you can see that the Wix banner also here, but we don't want that. So guys, don't worry, I will show you how you can remove this Wix banner from your app in the next part. And then in the next part, I will cover all of the things. Okay. If you have any question regarding these videos, you can leave your questions in the comment section, and like this video if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to my channel for the updates, and I will meet you in the next video.